ever wonder who your real parents are?
No.
I do. Whenever I see children outside the orphanage with their parents, I can't stop wondering what it must feel like to have parents of my own.
So mean.
Tammy, do you think they're going to adopt someone?
Maybe.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Ark Orphanage.
Thank you.
My name is Rosie.
I'm Todd.
Nice to meet you, Todd.
I am Amy.
Amy, nice to meet you. Please come in.
I'm going inside, okay? I want to see why they are here.
I'm coming.
You have definitely made a good choice. Please sign here, ma'am. Please sign there, sir. Thank you. The two of you are definitely going to be good parents for Tammy. I can see it already.
Thank you. You are just too kind.
Now, let's go get your beautiful daughter, Tammy.
Thank you. What's wrong with her?
I'm so nervous.
No.
What if she does not like us?
Agnia.
You see, my husband and I, we can't have children of our own.
Shame.
We really don't know what to expect.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Tammy is a good girl. All she needs is a little love and attention. And she's perfect for you. You will see. Tammy is an adorable little girl.
Don't worry. My husband and I will give her all the love and attention she needs.
I truly believe my Tammy will be the happiest girl with the two of you.
And trust me, she will. Because I've decorated a room and everything.
Let's go get her. Kids! We have guests. This is Tammy's new mom and dad.
Zip it. Tammy's new parents? Why? Why would they want to adopt her? She's shy. She has no friends. Why would they want to adopt her?
Sarah, stop it. Tammy is a smart and beautiful girl. And they want to adopt her because they love her.
But they don't.
Hey! What did I say about backchatting?
Sorry, ma'am.
Now, where is Tammy?
I know.
We don't even know where she is most of the time. She lives in her own lonely world between her ugly dolls.
Lisa, my girl, you are on thin ice. I'm sorry for this bad behavior.
It's okay.
Tammy's probably in the book room again.
I'll go get her.
Thank you, Cara.
That's a very beautiful painting. They're very talented, eh? That is so good.
Tammy, are you ready? Tammy, this is your new mom and dad.
Hello.
Hello there. It is Tammy's birthday today.
Oh.
And she's getting new parents as a gift. I love it. Tammy is very shy. But she will get over it someday. Tammy, darling, go get your bags. Hopefully they are packed to impress.
Hey, why is she in an orphanage? Do you know?
Shame. I found the poor thing on the street. I think the mother could not handle a child. I suppose it is a young drug head. A rechte dukkop, I tell you. No, but seriously, I think the mother could not afford her. Shame. Demi, are you ready? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go now. And Amy,
Oh, hi.
morning.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you. You know, I've just received a phone call.
From where did you receive the phone call?
The orphanage. They've called to say that they found Tammy's real parents.
What? Should we tell Tammy?
I think it's the best idea because you only have limited time to say goodbye.
Goodbye. Are they taking our Tammy back?
Oh, just calm down, will you? They're just in hospital. There was a severe accident.
I just want to do what is best for Tammy. What if she thinks we're forcing her into something that she doesn't want to do?
Tammy knows that you want the best for her.
Morning.
Tammy,
What's wrong?
Tammy, come sit down, will you?
What's wrong?
Tammy, we have found your real parents.
What? My real parents? They didn't want me. They abandoned me.
that is not important now. Listen. They're in hospital because of a car accident they were involved in. And they want to see you and hear your voice again.
And all what your father could write on the doctor's note was Tamlin.
Your real name. This might be your first and last chance you might see your parents. Because they might not make it.
Why? Why did they not come before?
Tammy, this is your last chance, okay? This is your last chance to meet your parents. Do you really want that?
At the moment, I don't know what I want. I wish I knew what to do.
Tammy, this is your last chance. Sweetheart, it's your choice.
I don't know what to do. I don't know them.
Tamlin!